If you have egg and cabbage at home, you can make this simple and delicious snack. It is soft inside, golden outside, and perfect for breakfast or evening tea. So here we have the following ingredients: eggs, green pepper, coriander, carrot, onions, masara, salt, then cabbage. I break the 3 eggs into a bowl. Eggs are the base for this recipe. They hold everything together and gives the soft texture. I add in 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. I whisk well to combine. The flour helps thicken the mixture and gives structure so it doesn't fall apart while frying. You have to make sure that you whisk very well everything to combine without leaving any room. I grate in some carrots. Carrots adds natural sweetness, color and nutrition. I whisk again to combine everything evenly. While preparing food, I enjoy the fresh air outside. Cooking is more enjoyable when you take your time and relax. Next, I add in chopped cabbage and mix using fork. Cabbage adds crunchy and volume to the snack. Make sure you mix everything very well to combine. Next, I cut the onions. Who else cries while cutting onions? Guys, anyway, it's not your problem, it's onion's problem. So let us always relax while cutting our onions. It is not our problem. I add in onions. Onions gives flavor and a slight sweetness when cooked. Next, I cut the green pepper. This is for crunchiness and flavor. Make sure you cut them into small pieces so that they can look good in our snack. Now I add green pepper into the mixture. I cut the tomatoes. I prefer using red tomatoes. So guys, look how juicy they are.
Don't want your noise. Later, go play.
I add in tomatoes to the mixture. Tomatoes adds moisture and fresh taste. I cut the coriander. Let it set aside so I will use it later for garnish. Now it's time to mix everything together. You have to be careful while doing this. I add in a little chips masala for extra flavor. I add in enough salt to balance all the ingredients. I mix well again until everything is mixed evenly. Look how it looks. Does it look beautiful before even frying? This is our charcoal stove which we are going to use. I press a pan over it. I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter adds flavor and prevents mixture from sticking. The butter melts, I pour in my egg mixture. Make sure the heat is not too high. Cook until the bottom becomes golden brown. Then I flip it to cook on the other side. Cooking both sides evenly ensures it's fully cooked inside. Look how it looks, guys. So appetizing. I flip it again to make sure it becomes thoroughly ready on all sides. When both sides are golden, I remove it from the pan. I sprinkle fresh coriander on top for extra freshness. And this is the result: golden outside, soft and full of vegetables inside. This is a simple recipe anyone can make at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from my kitchen to your kitchen. Bye bye, see you on Friday 5:45 p.m. East African time.